Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. Today's video is everything sunscreen or sunblock, whichever you love to call it, what it does, what it doesn't, when and where to use it, what time to use, and benefits of sunscreen. So stay tuned. So guys, I'll be talking to you about this product in this video. It's also a review on this product, so let me get it closer so that you see. This is Gavia Sunblock and Whitening Cream with vitamin C. So I haven't really talked about like a sunscreen on its own on this channel. That's the reason why I'm bringing this video to you, because I know in my previous videos on skincare I always emphasize on sunblock. So I think I haven't shown you like a proper sunscreen or sunblock that you need to use this video. So if you haven't seen any of my skincare videos, I'll be leaving a card somewhere here. If you haven't joined this family yet, please share, like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. Back to the business of the day, we are going to be talking about everything that has to do with you protecting your skin against the sunlight. What is SPF? SPF is sun protection factor. What SPF does is to help protect your bare skin from direct sunlight. Why do you need sunscreen? To prevent premature aging, wrinkles, redness around the eyes, uneven skin, blemishes, dark circles, and also to help prevent your skin from skin cancer. The rays that is present in sunlight, they have short wavelengths that we cannot see. You only see the sunlight and feel that sunlight. The two rays that are present in the sun that causes harmful things to our skin is the UVA and the UVB. The UVA penetrates deep into the skin that will give you redness of the face. It causes wrinkles, like you are aging prematurely and you don't know what is happening. It's not like you are up to the age that you're supposed to be having wrinkles, but you just notice that you're having wrinkles from nowhere. It's because of the UVA that is present in sunlight, and the UVB penetrates just the surface of your skin, which will cause you sunburn. Both of these sun rays combined contribute in causing skin cancer. That is why you need SPF in a higher amount. When you want to buy your sunblock or sunscreen, what you should be looking out for is the amount of SPF that is present in the product and the broad spectrum. When also buying your sunblock, the two major ingredients, aside every other ingredient that is in the product, you should be looking out for, at least one of it should be in the product, is titanium oxide and zinc oxide. These two ingredients are very important when it comes to sunblock or sunscreen. Best time for you to use SPF is in the morning. During the day, you apply your sunscreen 30 minutes before you step out. But the thing is, even when you're wearing an SPF, it doesn't mean you should go and sleep under the sun. No, it doesn't work like that. Depending on the products that you're actually using. For this Gavier Sunblock, it says that you should apply your sunscreen 4 hours under the sun and 2 hours in water. Sunscreen is not meant to be applied at night for any reason. I've been trying out this sunscreen. It's very affordable. I got it for 1,800 or thereabout. That should be between $4 or $3. I'm not sure, but I might check that and leave that on the screen for you. The sunblock and whitening cream, this thing does not whiten anything. I've been using this product for about a month now. I'm still using their face and body scrub. That's the reason why when I saw that they had a sunblock, I rushed it. The percentage of SPF here is 60, and it said is an excellent sunblock, brightening and lightening effects, excellent protection against radiation, UVA and UVB, that we just talked about. And it also have vitamin C and is water resistant. I think another thing you should be looking out for, you should get a sunblock that is water resistant. Is a non-greasy sunblock offering broad spectrum, provides a physical block against UVA and UVB rays. Gavia Sunblock protects skin from environmental damage and helps to retain moisture. Its oil-free formulation is absorbed quickly into the skin. Gavia Sunblock may be used daily under makeup with no need for additional moisturizer. But sorry, me, I use moisturizer before I even put this. So already I'm done with my skincare. Like, I thought I should just let you guys know this product and know how it works. I've been using it and I've been loving it. It doesn't leave this white cast on my skin. You know, there's one thing I noticed about women of color is we tend to like look ghostly when we use sunblock because of the SPF in it. But this one absorbs into your skin. You don't even feel like you're wearing something. But the only difference with this is that when it's not sunny, like the weather is very cool like it is right now, you tend to look like you use white powder on your face. You know, our mothers those days, if they are doing their makeup, is white powder that was their makeup. So that's how you're actually going to be looking, but not really obvious, like the one that will just make you look very white, like a ghost. Not that. External use only. It has zinc oxide here, and it also has titanium dioxide. I'm sorry if I said oxide, it was dioxide. And the gram here is 100 grams. So I feel it's something that will serve you like a long time. If you ask me, this is a very good product for you to get. So if you can, put this in your bag and reapply as the time frame says here. The method I use in applying this product, before I usually put it like so in my palm and rub this into my skin. But now I noticed that this 2-finger method works better because it helps you to not just know the amount of SPF you apply, will I say amount or quantity rather, that you apply on your skin. It also helps you to apply much quantity, because sometimes you put this little and you feel like, yeah, I've applied something on my skin and obviously did not apply anything. So I feel this 2-finger method would actually serve better. Let me apply this because I only do not apply sunscreen on my face alone. I also apply on the areas where sun will normally hit my skin, at the back of my palm as well. So this is not even enough, guys. This is not enough. And you see what I was saying, it doesn't leave that ghostly look. My skin is not white. So I'm going to show you the 2-finger method. So what I do is this. I apply this. I bring that to my neck area, anywhere that light will only hit my face. Just rub that in circular motion until it dissolves into my skin completely. I also take it to my neck because this area is not always covered, except I'm wearing a turtleneck. So another means of you protecting your skin from the sun is wearing something that is long. Wear a face cap and also your glasses. Get a dark shade that will help cover especially this area from sun. I placed an order for glasses like a long time ago. I don't know why it's not here yet. So hopefully my sister went to get her stuff because she sells those stuff too. So hopefully she gets the one like, and I'll buy from her. Guys, when applying your sunscreen, avoid your under eyes. So guys, you see how it's dissolving into the skin. Did I say dissolve? It absorbs into the skin. Rub in until it absorbs into your skin completely. So if you're seeing a little white cast on my brows, that's because I took it to my brows. Most times I don't take that to my brows. I try to avoid my brows as much as I can. As soon as it dissolves completely into your skin, you won't see any of that. So you see how my skin is looking. I'm not white. It just looks like, yes, I applied something on my skin. And this product, it leaves your skin feeling very soft and smooth. The first time I got this product that I tried it, gosh, when I touched my skin, I was like, what's here? I'm taking that to my because I feel that wasn't enough. I also take this to my feet, like, hope you are seeing my feet. This place sees the sun like there's no tomorrow. It will help protect my feet from having discoloration. So you see this side, I don't take anything to that side because I wear trousers a lot, so I don't even see the need. Your skin is very important, so try your best to protect it from sunlight. I'm sure from my explanations from the beginning, if you've been watching this video, if you did not skip it at all, you'll be able to pick out benefits of sunscreen or sunblock. I'll just do like a recap in a summary, okay? Sunblock will help your skin from harmful rays of sunlight. It helps in protecting your skin against premature aging, wrinkles, blemishes, uneven skin tone, dark circles around the eyes, redness of the skin. It helps you in protecting all of those harmful things, and above all, it helps in preventing your skin from skin cancer. So guys, stay true to your sunscreen. Have it inside your handbag, reapply it. Don't be like me, please, don't be like me. And especially if you're using this one, I recommend this product. It's very nice. It is also hydroquinone free. Don't be scared. This product is good for even dark skin girls. There's one thing I did when I newly got this product. What I did was I stopped using my facial cream, like my main facial cream that I use, because I felt I was going to be white, because I saw white hair, and the reason why I got it was to, you know, block the sun. So I could not leave it because it says it's white. So I noticed that my face is getting darker and dull than the rest of my body. That's because I stopped some of my skincare products because I felt this was going to make me white. This thing is not going to make you white. Don't mind the whitening they are talking about. And in this blue box here, they said excellent sun protection, brightening and lightening effect. So here is whitening, here is brightening and lightening. So I think themselves, they are confused. Or am I the one being confused? Please let me know. If you've used this product before, please let me know down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this product, if it's good or if it's not, if it's good for dark skin girls, because I am so after dark skin girls. The reason is that when I tell people to use sunscreen, they'll be like, I'm dark, but it's people that doesn't have melanin that needs sunscreen. I feel everybody needs sunscreen because we all have skin and we are working under the sun, and I feel the UVA and especially the UVA that penetrates deep inside the skin does not look whether your skin is dark or is fair. Don't skip sunblock no matter what skin type you are. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.